Hello farmers, welcome back to the Versa Integrated Farms. So today we got 90% laying rates at our Noila laying unit today. What I'm holding are 9 eggs belonging to 9 out of 10 birds laying for us at the farm currently, okay? So they are all resting, it's night time. So there are 10 of them that we ran the experiment of laying eggs with. Yes, I've gotten 80% laying rate before. We've been having 60, 70, sometimes 50. But today I really got 90%. That's 9 out of 10 laid today. And remember, our feeding is only 25% of hybrid layer mash and 75% of our Edovasal pig starter. I'm really loving this. And that's why we are increasing our Noila layers. Before the end of this year, we want to have 500 laying Noila beds at our Noila laying units. All right, keep farming right. See you next time I come your way. Stay blessed.